Class 10 children, today we will learn the word problems based on quadratic equation chapter 6. So before this we learned how to solve a quadratic equation using Sridhar Acharya formula, where quadratic equation was given and then we used to solve. But today same thing, but the word problems will be there. So you have to read the question and then make a equation and then solve. So little bit your work will increase here, and very important question to learn because these types of questions are very important in examination. So let us begin. A two-digit positive number is such that the product of its digit is 6. Now two-digit positive number, that means the two-digit numbers are the numbers beginning from 10 to 99. They are called two digits number because 1 to 9 is one digit number. A number more than 100 is three digit number, and it goes on four digit like that. But two digit means 10 to 99. So out of that, those many numbers, there is a number that the two digits positive numbers such that the product of its digit is 6. That means you multiply the digit, it becomes 6. For example, I have done a rough, like 23 is a two digit number. You multiply 2 and 3, its digit you multiply, then your result is 6. That means 2 3 is a 6. Similarly, you can take 16 because 1 and 6, 16 two digit number, and 1 into 6 also is 6. You can take even 61, you can take 32. These all numbers, what happens when you multiply its digits, the product of its digit is 6. And if 9 is added to the number, the digit interchanges their places. Suppose you add 9 to the number. Suppose the number is 23, and if you add 9 on it, then the result is 32. You can see 2 3 has become 3 2. That means ones became tens and tens became ones here. This is called the digit interchange their places. This is called digit interchange their places. So 23 has become 32. So now find the number. Actually we know the answer. Answer is 23. But you cannot do like that. You have to solve in a quadratic equation form by saying let the digit in the ones place be x. That we have to do. So let us begin the solution. Product of two digits, that is given 6. When the two digits are multiplied, its product is 6. Next, let the digit in ones place be x, because in two digit the first number is called ones, the second number is called tens. So let the digit in ones place be x, and let the digit in tens place be 6 by x. Now you might be saying how 6 by x? Like for example, I will explain you from here. Suppose if one's number is 3, then tens number is 2. How? What you do? This 3 you divide with 6. 6 by 3 you do, you get 2. Similarly, when you know the number in one's position, to know the number in tens position, in tens place, you have to divide the product with ones. That means you have to divide 6 with x. Just like if you know 3, then to know 2, what you do? You divide 6 with 3, then 3 2s are 6, that 2 comes. Similarly, the product of digit is 6, and if the number in the digit in the ones place is x, to know the number in digit in tens place, we have to do 6 by x. So the number equal to 6 by x into 10 plus x. Now you might be saying how it is like that. Then I will tell you. Suppose to write 23, I can do like this also. You multiply 2, 2 is tens number, tens digit. Tens digit you multiply with 10, and ones digit you just add. Then result is 23. How? 2 into 10, 20, 20 plus 3, 23. That means when number is unknown, we have to multiply tens digit with 10, and ones digit we have to add by 3. So our Ones digit is x, our tens digit is 6 by x. So similarly 6 by x you multiply by 10 because tens digit and add the ones digit, that is plus x. So finally when you multiply 10 into 6 is 60 by x plus x. Now according to question ATQ, it is said in a number you add 9. When you add 9, the digit interchanges. So the number is 60 by x plus x. You add 9 on it. This is the number. You add 9 on it. The result is the digit gets interchanged. The digit gets interchanged means ones will become tens, tens will become ones. Like 6 by x is tens, but here it has become ones. And x is actually ones, but here it has become tens. That's why I am multiplying with 10, because I have said the tens digit should be multiplied by 10. Actually x is ones digit, but here it became tens digit. Why? Because when 9 was added to the number, the digit got interchanged. So similarly you can see here tens digit has become ones and ones digit has become tens, so that's why multiplied by 10. Now from here we will form a equation. Now here my LCM will be x. Then what will happen? This x and x will multiply and become x square. This x and 9 will multiply and become 9x, and 60 will remain same. And here 10 into x, 10x plus 6 by x. Next children, now you can see here same thing I wrote, here same thing I wrote, the whatever was the same thing I wrote. Here again I did x LCM, then x into 10x, 10x square plus 6. Now x on the denominator, single number can be cancelled. Now remaining number we will write 60 plus x square plus 9x equal to 10x square plus 6. So remaining numbers I wrote. Now to make it a quadratic equation, the first number should be x square variable, second number should be x variable, and third number should be a constant number, and they should be equal to 0. So to make x square in a positive form, I can see this is smaller number, this is larger number. So what I did, I shifted everyone that side to the right side. From left to right I shifted. So what happens here, this every number got its position changed from left side to right side. So here I wrote 0 and then 10x square, and this plus x square became here minus x square. This plus 9x became here minus 9x. This plus 6 is same in the same position, and this plus 60 became minus 60. And now 10x square minus x square is 9x square minus 9x, and it will become minus 54. Same number I interchange now. 9x square minus 9x minus 54 equal to 0. 0 came this side and its result came to the left side. Now from these numbers 9 is common. So when I took 9 common, x square minus x minus 6 remains in the bracket equal to 0, because 9 6 is 54. Now this 9 will come and divide with 0 and become 0 only. So our result will be x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. That is what I have written here. So now this is a quadratic equation form. You know a is 1, b is minus 1, c is minus 6. Now Sridhar Acharya formula, you know, I have taught you several times. I have put the respective values and I kept on simplifying, and here I got 25, that means root 25 is 5. I took plus and minus separate. Finally I got 6 by 2 and minus 4 by 2, and my result is 3 comma minus 2. But I took only 3 as answer. I did not take minus 2 because you can see actually the product of the two digit number is 6. That means it is not minus 6. If I take minus number, then my condition as per the question will not fulfill. That's why here I will not take negative number, because as per the demand of the question there should be no negative number taken. That's why I took only 3. Therefore the number equal to, actually you have to, the question is find the number, and the number is 60 by x plus x. So same thing I wrote here, 60 by x plus x, and I put the value of x as 3. 60 by 3 plus 3, then 60 by 3 is 20, 20 plus 3 is 23 is our answer. Here you can cancel, or you can just 60 by 3 is actually 20 only. Directly also you can write, that is your wish. So that is how we got the answer. Now few more questions I will provide you in the PDF. Before that, one small thing I want to discuss. The sum of two natural number is 8 and the difference of the reciprocal is equal to 2 by 15. Find the number. Now there are two natural numbers. When you add it becomes 8. So sum of the two natural number is 8. Let the first natural number be x. Therefore the second natural number will be 8 minus x. And sum of the reciprocal means, difference of the reciprocal means reciprocal of x is 1 by x, and reciprocal of 8 minus x is 1 by 8 minus x, and difference means when you subtract these two numbers the result is equal to 2 by 15. So from here I have done solution and I got quadratic equation, and finally I have solved here, and my answer was 20 and 3, but I took only 3. I did not take 20 because the sum of the two number is itself 8. So when you add two numbers it is 8, but if I take 20 then the condition is becoming more than the question, because the sum is 8, and if the first number only will be 20 then how will we do the sum of two numbers? So we have to take only 3, and then first number and second number I have got here. So I have just given you hint. You can check this question how I have done. So very important questions, children. You practice these questions at home. Thank you, children.